Here's how to make shortcut croissants. Add warm milk in a bowl followed by yeast and sugar. Let it bloom and then add some melted butter, some lukewarm water, Pembe home baking flour, and salt to taste. Mix to form a shabby looking dough and then take it out on your work surface and knead properly. Let it rest for an hour or until doubled. Roll the dough into a log shape and then divide the dough into 6 portions. Roll out each portion into a very large and thin circle and then set aside. Repeat with the rest and then start the layering process. Spread butter on each layer until you have done all 6 layers and then cut the circle into 8 triangles and roll it like so, into the classic croissant shape. Let it rise for another 30 minutes and then brush with an egg wash. Bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. Let it cool before serving and then enjoy a freshly baked croissant